The story of Chicken Licken.
Chicken Licken is in the farmyard. He's eating under a tree when suddenly a nut falls on his head. "Oh no!" says Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling down. I must go to London and tell the king."
The sky falls on Chicken Licken. Chicken Licken goes to London.
Chicken Licken runs down the road. When he meets Henny Penny, he stops. "Where are you going?" she says. "Oh, Henny Penny," says Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling down, and I'm going to London to tell the king." "Well, I must come with you," says Henny Penny. So Chicken Licken and Henny Penny run down the road.
Henny Penny goes with Chicken Licken. They must tell the king that the sky is falling down.
In the village, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy are swimming on the pond. When Chicken Licken and Henny Penny see them, they stop. "Hello," says Ducky Lucky. "Where are you running to?" "Oh, Ducky Lucky," says Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling down, and we're going to London to tell the king. Do you want to join us?" "Yes, we must come with you," say Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy.
Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy go with them. Five animals go to London.
Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy run down the road. At the side of the road is Foxy Loxy. He's sitting under a tree. When they see him, they stop. "Hello," says Foxy Loxy. "Where are you going?" "Oh, Foxy Loxy," says Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling down, and we're going to London to tell the king." "To London?" says Foxy Loxy. "Well, you're going the wrong way. That isn't the road to London. You must go this way. Follow me." So Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy follow Foxy Loxy.
Foxy Loxy tells them they aren't going to London. The animals do not listen to Foxy Loxy.
But, oh dear, He doesn't take them to London. He takes them to his den. His wife and children are waiting for him, and they're very hungry. Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey Lucy never get to London, and they never tell the king that the sky is falling down.
Foxy Loxy takes the animals to his family. Foxy Loxy and his family eat the animals.